Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a fantastic alternative to DID, HitPaw Edimakor. This tool allows you to create AI talking avatars with perfect lip sync. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started by opening HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the link in the description below. Now, let's create an AI avatar. The first step is to add a voice to it. On the left panel, you have three options: text-to-speech, local audio, and record voice. We'll be using text-to-speech for our demonstration. In the text box, you can either type or paste your video script. If you're unsure what to say, just click on AI copywriting to let AI generate a script for you. Next, pick an AI voiceover that suits your needs. If you're having trouble finding the perfect voice, check out the video I made on this topic through the link in the description. The second step is choosing or customizing your AI avatar. You can select from the available avatars or import your own by clicking the import option. In the pop-up window, you can bring in a video or photo to create a custom avatar. Once you've found the perfect avatar, click Generate. And there you have it, your avatar is ready.
Hi, I'm Jason, your custom AI avatar. I'm here to bring your ideas to life with realistic expressions and perfect lip sync capabilities.
Hi, I'm Nancy, your custom AI avatar. I'm here to bring your ideas to life with realistic expressions and perfect lip sync capabilities.
Hi, I'm Dustin, your custom AI avatar. I'm here to bring your ideas to life with realistic expressions and perfect lip sync capabilities.
Hi, I'm Lola, your custom AI avatar. I'm here to bring your ideas to life with realistic expressions and perfect lip sync capabilities.
Isn't that amazing? If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.